Welcome to the unveiling of the future of automotive innovation, the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe, presented by more Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat. Today, we embark on a journey through the cutting-edge features and revolutionary technology that define this remarkable vehicle. Let's dive in. First impressions matter, and the Grand Cherokee 4xe certainly makes a statement. Its iconic Jeep design language is elevated with modern touches, including sleek LED lighting and distinctive accents, all while retaining the rugged charm that defines the Jeep brand. Step inside and you're greeted by a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication. Premium materials envelop you, while state-of-the-art technology seamlessly integrates into the cabin. From the intuitive infotainment system to the ergonomic seating, every detail is meticulously crafted for your enjoyment. Under the hood lies the heart of innovation, the plug-in hybrid powertrain. Combining a potent gasoline engine with electric motors, the Grand Cherokee 4xe delivers exhilarating performance while prioritizing efficiency. Whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off-road, this powerhouse provides the perfect blend of power and sustainability. Stay connected and informed with the latest infotainment system, complete with smartphone integration and voice commands. Plus, with a suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and automated parking, every journey is safer and more convenient. Of course, being a Jeep, off-road prowess is in its DNA. With legendary 4x4 capability enhanced by electric torque, the Grand Cherokee 4xe fearlessly tackles any terrain. Safety is paramount, and the Grand Cherokee 4xe is equipped with an array of cutting-edge features to keep you and your passengers protected on the road. From advanced driver assistance systems that help prevent accidents to a robust structure designed to withstand impacts, rest assured that your safety is our top priority. In conclusion, the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe redefines the boundaries of what's possible in the world of automotive engineering. With its striking design, electrifying performance, and commitment to sustainability, it's more than just a vehicle. It's a testament to the power of innovation. Schedule a test drive today at moreauto.com or give us a call at 623-298-0141.